Lord Shiva himself is the founder of a Vaishnava Sampradaya. There's a story how one devotee worshipped Lord Shiva, and then he got the darshan of Lord Shiva. He begged Lord Shiva, please give me the most wonderful thing in the whole universe. And so Lord Shiva said, yes, I can give you. So then you should go and see Sanatana Goswami. He said, I would like a touchstone. He said, oh, you'd like a touchstone. He also has one of those. And you can see Sanatana Goswami. Of course, this is a common story. Now we all know how this devotee went to Sanatana Goswami in Vrindavan, and he was looking, and then he finally found where Sanatana Goswami was. Fell down at his lotus feet, and he prayed, my dear Sanatana Goswami, Lord Shiva has sent me that you have the most wonderful thing in the universe. I understand you have a touchstone. The Lord, Sanatana, make up your mind. So, he said, I would like a touchstone. What a touchstone is, almost like a desire tree. In a sense, a touchstone, anything you touch with it, it turns into gold. So for a materialist, this is very handy. If anything you touch turns to gold, then you can have a very big budget for sense enjoyment. So he asked that I would like to have the touchstone. So then I said, yes, you go in the back, there's a garbage pit. You'll find in the garbage pile, there's one touchstone somewhere there. You can just look. And he says, doing his worship. So then the devotee goes in the back. There he sees a huge pile of garbage, leaves, everything there, all the refuse. He looks through. There he finds one brilliant stone. He touches, gold, 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 gold. I'm rich, gold. More than 1 million Krugers. Everywhere gold. He was so happy. He was getting everything gold. Then he started to think that Sanatana Goswami kept it. Everyone I said, I want the greatest thing. They said, yes. And I said, touchstone. And I found this touchstone in a garbage pit. What is the really valuable thing? He must have something more valuable. Who keeps a touchstone in a garbage? What is his real wealth? That is what I must find. So then he went back and he said, Sanatana Goswami, you have kept this touchstone in a garbage pit. I'm thinking that, my dear Master, you must have something more valuable even than this. Oh yes, I have something much more valuable. Oh, may I have that? May I have that most precious object? Why not? But you must first throw away this touchstone. Throw away my touchstone? But I just got so much gold. Well, if you want the greatest thing, the most valuable thing, then you can't hold on to this petty thing. Well, you've led me on the right path once, so I'll have faith in you. So he went and threw away the touchstone, back in the garbage pit, came back, paid his obeisance, says, now, please tell me, what is the most valuable thing? Please give it to me. So then, of course, Sanatana Goswami said, all right, come over here. This is a great secret. Listen. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Chant this Maha Mantra, this holy name of God. This is the most valuable thing that I possess. It will satisfy all of your desires.